Welcome, in front of me is XIAOMI RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes with this laptop. To do this, open the Start menu, then go to List of all applications and open Camera. Let Camera access your microphone and of course camera, and we don't need this. And once you're ready, prepare the card with your QR code or your phone with the QR code on it. Select this option right here, barcode, for scanning QR codes, and then face your device to the laptop's camera, and you'll be able to see the link to which QR code is transferring you. And once we click on the link, we'll be transferred to the website or any other resource that we wanted to use with this QR code. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.